How to see deleted search history on YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see deleted search history on YouTube. First of all, open up the YouTube application. After opening the app, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then, from your profile, tap on Settings icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down in Settings and choose the Manage All History option from here. After that, you will find the Saving Your YouTube History option in here, so tap on it. Then, it will ask you to choose the option to manage My Activity Verification. So again, tap on Saving Your YouTube History. Now scroll down here and find the YouTube history. Once you find the history, click on the Delete button and choose to delete today's history. When you delete today's history, it will show you the See Other Activity option. If you tap on it, you will see the history of your YouTube. Then get back and tap on Manage My Activity Verification. Now, choose the Don't Require Extra Verification option and choose to save it. After that, tap on the Saving Your YouTube History option. Then scroll down in YouTube History and choose the Manage History option from here. Now, tap on the Delete button from here and open up the web browser on your phone. Then search for My Activity in the browser, and in its result, click to open the Google My Activity site from here. Now, it will take you to your Google account and choose the Web and App Activity option from here. Then tap on the YouTube History option. You need to make sure you take the Sub-Settings option from here. Now, from here, tap to Manage History, and from here, you can see your deleted history. Then, if you want to see the deleted history of previous time, you can select the specific date of which you want to see deleted history. After that, go into the Interactions option. You can see the different video interactions option from here. Also, check out our video on how to change YouTube username on PC. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.